There are so many people waiting on you. So many people waiting on you to reach out to them, for you to put out that program, for you to offer your services. But listen, without a vision and a plan, it's going to be hard for you to reach them. I was just recording some interviews with my clients, and they have reached 300 people in 90 days, 285 people in 9 months, 40 people in 6 months, all of it because they dare to simplify the game plan and their execution so that they could take action every single day. The thing between where you are and that dream that it's burning in your heart, it's a simple game plan and you taking action on it like your life depended on it. Because guess what? Not just your life, but so many other lives are going to be touched. I got to tell you this. One of my clients was saying she launched this 30-day program. And one of the things that happened is that people inside the program started writing their books because they finally had the mindset breakthrough or the mental breakthrough they needed. Other clients losing weight, other people doing other stuff. And everything comes down to that they actually dared to create a plan and to execute for 90 days with the momentum, the clarity, and the confidence they needed to reach the people they're here to serve. If you are an impact-driven coach, if you're a transformational entrepreneur, if you are someone who knows that you know that you know that you're called to do this, you're called to reach these people, and you're called to make it happen, I want you in this vision and action plan party. I'm going to have a workbook for you, and we're going to take it down and break it down so that you know exactly what to focus on, so you can ditch overwhelm, ditch feeling information overload, and whatever else it is that is holding you back from going out and making the impact that you are in this planet to do. So I'll see you in the other side. Let's go. Bye.